Hello everyone and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we're going to be making a paper snow globe. So to get started with this project you're going to need a collection of old Christmas cards. And you and your loved one can go through the Christmas cards and select the images that you would like to use. So here I've selected an image and I'm going to just cut that out. Next you'll need the snow globe template, which is available for free. You can print it using the link in the description. Once you have that printed, you can go ahead and glue down the images that you have cut out. So here I'm using purple glue. I like using the purple glue because it's easier for the aging eyes of my clients to see where they've put the glue. Once you've got your image glued down, you can go ahead and start painting in the snow globe using watercolor paints. And while you're watching me paint in the snow globe, I just want to mention that I have an Instagram account called Art for Alzheimer's Care, and I invite you to join me for tips and tricks and for general encouragement to all of you wonderful caregivers out there. And there you have it, a cute little snow globe ready for Christmas. Thanks for joining me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.